What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2015 Vespa. It's the 150cc model. We'll take a quick walk around this thing so you guys can see exactly what this thing looks like up close. This is a nice little machine. We usually have mostly motorcycles. It's a little bit more on the scooter side, but it's a nice little machine. So we're gonna jump back on here and see the rear tire. The tire's in decent shape, very tiny. Got the license plate mount. Got your 2 turn signals there, got your tail light, all the stuff's looking nice. The paint on this thing is very nice. It actually just rained here, so I tried to wipe it off as best I could. So that's what's going on with that. Got this trunk up here in the back. Let me grab the keys. And open that up for you. It's a nice big trunk there with the battery charger and the manual and whatnot. That's a good deal. Close that. Set those keys back in. This is also, the trunk here is like paint matched to the actual thing, so it's the same color. It looks good. There is some scratching here on the side of this trunk that I want to point out, like right there, so you can see that. It's one of the few things in the bike that I think I really had to pick out. Everything else was in pretty nice shape. There you go. You got the model, the Primavera. Got the little tiny exhaust there. You can see the wheel in there. It only has the center stand, so there's no side stand option. It's only center stand, which is kind of typical of these little machines. So you can see all on the side here. This seat is really, really nice. All the stitching is really good. It's not stretched out or ripped at any spots that I found. These things are like considered, I guess, like little passenger pegs. I'd be hard pressed to see 2 folks on this, but I guess you could do it. Down here is the floorboards for your feet of the driver. There's the 153 VIE. For you guys who are really interested in this and are doing a lot of research, you probably know more about this than I do, so I just want to show you as much as I can so you can figure that out. Oh, look at that. That's the unlock button for... I'm not sure what that unlocks. I'm sure I'll figure that out by the end. Here we got the throttle. Come up to the front. This thing has this big tall windshield on it, which I guess could be nice. I don't know that I would really want that on a little scooter, but there you go. Got the Piaggio badge on there, Vespa. All this stuff is looking good. There's a little mark right there I'd like you to see, right there by my finger. And that is looking pretty good shape. Just some white fuzzies on here. There's the front fender, front tire. There's your little front wheel. There's your front brake. The whole assembly with the shock in there and everything. All coming up here to this mirror. This mirror is the other spot that I wanted to make sure that I pointed out. There's these weird scratches on the mirror, but they look kind of aggressive. But like when you run your hand on them, you can barely feel them. So I'm not sure what caused that, but that is there. Then there's the inside, down to that little floorboard, back to the passenger peg. Along the side here, got the Vespa badge in the back. You got the transmission and all that. So that is that. I'll come over the top. Check out the seat again really quickly, just to give you a different angle of that. Up here to the controls and to the gauges. There's the gauges, there's controls, get your brake. And your brake, this lever is broken off, just know that. Turn this thing on. 1,244 miles, so it's got a lot of life left in it. I'm gonna start this thing up. Maybe I'm not, I might have to sit on it. I'll brake, start it. There we go. Full 360 here. Rear wheel spinning because it is automatic. Shut that off. Make sure all the signals work. There's your front signal on that side. Signal on this side. Rear signal there. And rear signal there. There you go. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2015 Vespa Primavera. It's the 150cc model. Do not miss out on this thing, and thanks so much for watching the video.